Well, howdy folks, this is Todd Johnson from QuikStem, and you know, it's said that everybody's got a superpower, and it would appear that mine is breaking stuff. I was hauling that tree on these forks. It was dragging kind of back near that tire, and that big old limb was dragging inside the lip of my rim, and I figured it out about a second too late that if I kind of took that little bit of a left turn, I was going to jam that big branch right in the rim, and sure enough I did, and I nailed that stem. 90 horsepower worth of tractor on a branch thicker than my arm, and just the right angle and torque, and darn if I didn't manage to break a QuikStem out of my tractor's front tire. And they're rugged as heck. I'm a little bummed. That was the original prototype I made 2.5 years ago. It's been working perfectly until I nailed it with a log, and any stem of any kind would have broken off. The difference is any stem of any kind wouldn't be replaced here in a few seconds. So I'm in the field on my farm doing a real world fix. Here's a new QuikStem. I'm gonna put it in that hole, get just a little snug on that nut. See if I'm on the right way here. Get a 9/16 socket on there. I'm just going to snug that down till I start get a little squeak, a little bit of resistance. That's enough. I'm going to take my cap off. And I was close enough to my shop, a few hundred yards, that I went ahead and drug out a compressor. So the compressor's full, it's not plugged in, but it'll give me enough air to get this tire up off the rim and hopefully get me back in the shop. So I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me blow air, but that is a real world QuikStem fix in the field. That's how fast you're back in business. Thanks folks. QuikStem.com, QuikStem.com, or Facebook.com/QuikStem.